fuck, man? Well, let's shut it off. Whoa, welcome back, second part! Or second piece, or second video, or something. I don't know. Just having a blast. There are some sharp objects flying towards me. It felt like sand. And I don't like flying grains of sand or something. It's painful, man. Fucking painful. I have this weird habit to scream at the mic because I'm not sure if you can hear me. Hear me or not. Oh, this video is gonna be mess, man. But we will see. I have this idea, the crazy one, at least for me crazy, that I could get another bike or a new bike or something. Well, not new, used, obviously, because I'm poor. Selling all my bikes and getting maybe R1. That would be nice. Bike looks good. Fucking love that bike. Would be nice to have it, but it's incredibly pricey. So I'm not really keen on this idea that it is the best one. Who knows? Or the second option would be to sell the Husaberg, which I don't really mind having or not having, because it's fine to actually have a bike that you can ride when the weather isn't really as beautiful as today, so I don't mind having it. But I was kinda toying with the idea of getting the third bike instead of the R1, and that would be Yamaha MT-09, because these bikes are fucking gorgeous, man, and they are not even that expensive, to be honest, so it's kind of within a solid reachable range, I guess. But I don't know, having the 3 bikes at home, that seems a little excessive, even for me, even for my standards. Because even now, I'm not able to fully, what's the word? Fully use the 2 bikes that I have, because man, I really don't have a lot of free time to play with my bikes, because I'm really busy with my work and with my other hobbies, to be honest. Woo. The rear wheel is kind of choppy. I'm still working on the proper technique how to do these corners and shit, but man, I'm so not used to it, and it requires me to actually hold throttle in a different way that I'm not used to, and that's really hard. But hopefully one day I can master this skill or technique. My battery in the bike is kinda dying. It needs a proper recharge, which I'm gonna do soon, so I hope I'm gonna be able to start the bike back up after I take some gas in here, which is gonna take a while. Wow, there's like the whole fucking city in here. What the fuck, man? This is really fucking insane, man. The fuck, man? Well, let's shut it off.